something. My goodness, अभी फिर से मार खाएंगी क्या? नमस्ते.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing great. Since we all are stuck in this lockdown, so I thought of doing a very fun makeup challenge video with my elder sister. So she's my elder sister whom I call Neen. So introduce yourself, tell them your name.
Hello everyone, I am Ankita Roy and today we are going to do some makeup challenge.
And what's that challenge?
And, exactly. So I'm not pro like her.
Wait, what?
We are going to do one deep challenge.
One dip challenge. So आज हम लोग मालविका सितलानी का एक वीडियो देख रहे थे जिसमें she did this one dip makeup challenge. मतलब एक ही बार आप डिप कर सकते हो अपना मेकअप ब्रश या फिर जो भी प्रोडक्ट हो. You have to use that one only. So yeah, we will be doing this makeup challenge. But एक twist है, हम लोग खुद पे नहीं करेंगे,
एक दूसरे पे करेंगे.
Yes, exactly. So अभी let's get started with this video. And if you're
I don't know what I'm going to do.
no, you will do your best. So let's straight jump into the challenge. Are you ready?
Oh my god, I'm scared. Finger crossed.
It's for fun, not just chill. So firstly, I will do her makeup. So I will start off with the moisturizer. This one is what she uses. मैं थोड़ा सा लगाऊंगी. Since it's a one dip challenge, I will take little bit of amount using this spoolie. Just this much. थोड़ा सा लिप बाम भी अप्लाई कर लो, पर ये एक ही बार तुम दे सकते हो. मुंह खोलो.
One stroke.
One stroke. So this will be basically one stroke or one dip challenge. Let's straight jump into foundation. And I'm using these two shades. मैं दोनों से एक एक पंप ही लूंगी बिकॉज एक शेड हम लोग के लिए मतलब प्रॉपर नहीं है. दो शेड मिला के हम लोग का मतलब हम लोग की
Light is not clean. This is not a way to maintain your makeup.
दिस इज नथिंग. मैं इसको ऐसे हाथ में लेके जब ऐसे
I
बंद
know.
कर लेती हूँ. ओके, shut up. Now let's take one pump of this one. This is Super Stay from Maybelline and we are in the shade 312 which is quite darker for us, and this is Maybelline का Fit Me वाला, and this is 320 Natural Tan, and this is actually perfect but उसका वो जो coverage है वो हम लोग को ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. This one also I'm taking little bit. इसका pump नहीं है.
The good thing is that now we both are having same shades of
Yeah,
skin.
exactly.
We can use our product.
Yeah, which we always do.
Do.
तो मैं दोनों को mix करके that's it. This much only I will use. और मैं अभी ब्लेंडर नहीं यूज करी, अपने हाथों से कर लूंगी. Like when I was in standard 1 or 2 or like that ना, मेरा जब डांस का प्रोग्राम होता था तब दीदी मुझे रेडी करके देती थी हमेशा, राइट? और इतना मार पड़ता था, इतना मार पड़ता था.
Especially जब मैं eyeliner लगाती
She
थी.
used to do a very beautiful wing eyeliner. मतलब उसको wing eyeliner बहुत अच्छे से करना आता था because she is so good in painting and all those things. So और वो जब भी मुझे करती थी ना, मतलब
She started blinking her eyes. That's why she got so that thing also.
और टाइम भी हो जाता था ना. And my eyes are very watery. मैं खुद से मतलब काजल भी उतना पहन नहीं पाती हूँ.
That was not you were in class 1 or 2.
From
You
that
must
time?
have- yeah, you have started dancing from age 3.
Age 3. Oh,
Yeah.
like that only.
She is also a very good dancer.
I was.
No, you can do it now also.
Yeah, अभी practice
So-
नहीं है.
वही practice नहीं है, but she is a very good Bharatnatyam dancer.
We can do that thing also ना. अभी
Yeah,
लॉकडाउन में और क्या
definitely.
करेंगे? So I'm using this brown shade. क्या थोड़ा सा इसकी जो ये मतलब blank spaces है, मैं firstly वही fill up करूँगी. उसके बाद this ready shade एक ही बार ऐसे finger में लूँगी. Because we both got this pakora kind of nose.
I think my one is little better than yours.
Whose one is better? Concealer. The one I use is this LA Girl का वो येलो वाला कंसीलर. तो मैं एक ही बार इसको पंप करूँगी यहाँ पे, और मुझे जितना चाहिए होगा मैं इसी से यूज़ कर लूँगी. As you can see this much I've taken. थोड़ा सा अपनी फिंगर टिप में लेके जहाँ जहाँ मुझे अप्लाई करना है मैं कर लूँगी यहाँ से लेके. She got a accident mark here which I have to cover up with.
अल्टीमेटली वी कैन कॉल इट ए चीप चैलेंज, जहाँ पे हम अपने मेकअप भी बचा सकते हैं और मेकअप भी कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. True.
We
That's
can save our product quantity, right?
exactly true. That's a good practice.
I'm scared of this one.
Everyone is. मैं थोड़ा सा लगा दूंगी, ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगी. I did a mistake. मैंने कंटोर मतलब कंटोरिंग के लिए तो ऑलरेडी ले लिया, उसी से मैंने पूरा नाक कर दिया. What I will do here and here and here. So I have to leave that. It's okay. Now I will quickly move to blush. Taking the blush, I'll apply a little bit here, little bit here. And I will क्या बोलते हैं इसको, I will blend it using this beauty blender.
Come on,
It's
you're
so
doing like so.
So does it like this. उसे
Dab,
सब
dab,
कुछ
dab,
अपने
dab,
मुंह पे
dab,
डैब
dab.
डैब ही करना होता है, चाहे वो टॉवल से अपना मुंह पोंछ या फिर कुछ भी डैब डैब करके उसको करना पड़ता है.
और उसको वो जो मेकअप वाला गेम,
My
she used to do makeup for all of us. We have to sit back and she will comb her hair, we'll do hair massage, and then she will start doing makeup.
Yeah, and she knows every step. Primer से start होके क्या बोलते हैं उसको मेकअप स्प्रे तक खत्म होता है. She knows every step.
And she will say like that, how do you spray?
Yeah, and she even knows कि स्प्रे करने के बाद तुरंत हवा करके इसको ड्राई भी करना होता है. She knows everything. Smart kid, huh?
Because of Harishmi. All privileges.
She is so much attracted towards makeup. वो जब बात भी नहीं कर पाती थी ना, like she only started sitting. जब मैं अपना आई शेडो पैलेट खोलती थी, इसका पूरा फेस का जो ग्लो है ना वो चेंज हो जाता है, इतना खुश हो जाती. पता नहीं कैमरा में इतना वाइटिश क्यों लग रहा है इसका मेकअप. आई थिंक थोड़े टाइम बाद
सेट हो जाएगी,
न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा. या सो आई शेडो डन. अब एक ही कलर, एक ही शेड मैंने यूज़ किया है एज पर रूल. सो अभी नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई विल यूज इज eyeliner. आई थिंक अभी मैं पूरा मेकअप खराब कर दूंगी. Once. Oh, you look so pretty. So I will put a little bit of highlighter and बाप रे बहुत ज़्यादा गिर गया है. Bit in the eyelid. आग बंद कर लो. इसको भी एक ही स्ट्रोक लगाना है. ये वाला लगा दूँ. लाइट करके मैं लगाऊंगी. This is not an exactly nude shade. One stroke. Oh, one stroke.
No. You can
Oh, I can dip. Yeah. Dip. Yeah. No, I can't dip. So I'm not going to apply any makeup spray or setting powder, which is really not required for now, क्योंकि हम लोग अभी रूम में वापस जाके फेस वॉश कर लेंगे. So I think this is all. Pretty much.
So finally I'm done with my makeup. So now it's my turn to do her. I don't know what I'm going to do. चलो जो भी करेंगे मस्ती होगा. That's
Yeah.
important.
Yes.
Start with the moisturizer. The same products almost we are going to use.
Yeah.
Maybe we can differ with the shades, but almost same products
Yeah.
we are going to use.
My one could say. Smells so good.
Yeah, it smells lovely.
Recently, I'm really loving this Plumka products.
काफी अच्छा है.
Yeah.
They are having products for both dry skin and oily
Oily
skin,
skin.
and both are equally good.
Yeah, exactly. Since I have oily skin and she has dry skin, so we have used both the products, right?
Yeah. The toner is also good.
Yeah, very good.
Very good. So let's get started.
Yes.
Here comes both the foundations. The same one she used for me.
Yeah. You put in my hand or your hand? It's me. One pump. दिखा दो एक ही pump ले रही हूँ. same products only we are using. What's wrong with it? So you're done applying foundation.
To the eyebrow. I'm
Which
using
shade is
this one.
Yeah, this one.
This is the concealer. To contour her nose and the jawlines. So I'm using this reddish brown color to contour.
Blend! You're dry! अरे nose तो तो blend को blend!
Oh my god! We're using the powder to make it little neutral. I was little intentional because I want to check how the real monkey inside you look like.
I won't say nothing right now in front of the camera. Later on I will.
Now it's time to do the eye makeup. Hence I start with the eye shade. So I'm using the coriander, shade coriander.
We are still stuck with that thing that we'll use one shade
One
only
shade
because
only.
we're a little confused with the rule. It's okay.
It's okay. Close your eyes. ठीक है तुम?
Yeah. It's a very nice and pretty shade.
ये eyeliner thing. My goodness, अभी फिर से मार खाएगी क्या? I don't know.
No. So ऐसे बोलती no.
No.
No. Choo-choo TV effects. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. You may apply a little bit of kajal if you want. Yeah, you may use this one. This is a grey shade.
Now it's time to put some mascara. Yeah, Malik. कैसा बना?
Yeah, I'm loving it. Sweating भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
Lipstick. This
You
is
will apply.
MAC.
Which shade? This is Dance With Me. We both love this shade, right?
Yes, we. एक ही बात लेना है.
I loved it. It's like after ages, किसी ने भी मेरे पे makeup किया है, like yeah, right? And she did after a long time, and
Yeah.
she did amazing. Yeah,
अच्छा ही बन गया.
yeah, it's perfect. Just the way I. So guys, this is all for this video. We are done doing this challenge, and let me know in this comment section that we did enough justice to this challenge or not. I think we did, right?
Yes, but I want to know who is the winner. Who did it well? Who did it little more better?
You guys decide.
That's right. We want you to reply in our comment section that how we did it.
Yes.
So we will keep waiting for your responses.
Exactly. And I think we should plan some more challenge videos for this
Yeah.
channel. So if you really want to see more videos of us together, so let us know in the comment section. And if you really enjoyed or liked anything about this video, please make sure you're hitting on that like button. Do share my videos with your friends, family and loved ones. And guys, please do subscribe.
Please.
Yeah.
And one more thing.
Yeah.
Stay back at home. Stay safe. Wear mask. Keep sanitizing your hands.
घर में ही बैठो यार, मत
Yeah.
निकलो. So yeah, that's all for this now. Let's wrap up it here. Bye for now.